Welcome, here I've got Fairphone 3 and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's change it to the video by using this settings bar and simply going to the left to video. Here we are. Now let's move to the left corner button so we can open the advanced camera settings. Here we have to slide a little bit down to video category, and now we can find the video stabilization option. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.